All right, welcome to video 8 for Unit 4 for AP Environmental Science. This is all about Earth's geography and climate. Now, the world climates, this just shows you, based on where you are, how your climate is going to be different, from polar to subpolar to temperate to subtropical to tropical, and then back up all the way to polar because we have two poles. So what determines these climate patterns? A lot of it's due to the global air circulation, the ocean's currents, and the angle of the sun's rays, or the tilt of the axis. So remember that heat and precipitation on the Earth is not distributed evenly because of the way that the Earth is formed. We are a sphere, and so we do not get the same type of heat, and we are also looking at areas of more land mass compared to others, and so there is more precipitation as you get closer to water. Topographic features also affect a lot of this. For example, a mountain range or how close you are to water. This is a great video or a great diagram to kind of show you what is known as the rain shadow effect. And essentially, the rain shadow effect shows that the water is going to come in from the prevailing winds, typically from the ocean. The water is coming in clouds, but because that cloud has to make it over the mountain, typically as it tries to go over the mountain due to the wind, most of the precipitation falls before it makes it over the mountain. So on the leeward side of the mountain range, we get this, what is known as the rain shadow effect. We in Reno actually have this exact same thing. Most of the snow and the water that comes to us is coming from California. The Sierra Mountains cause a rain shadow effect, which is why you can go over the mountain into California and it's lush and beautiful and forested. But on this side, it's deserted. We have a desert. Because of the rain shadow effect, we don't get as much of the precipitation as it's trying to make it over the mountain. Now, here's two different climates. Same latitude, right? They're at the exact same latitude. We have San Diego and Phoenix. In the winter, they're actually very similar. San Diego can get down to 48 degrees Fahrenheit. Phoenix gets down to about 41. But in the summer, quite different. Phoenix's average is 106. San Diego is 75, which is why I always say I would live in San Diego in a heartbeat. Now, why is that? Well, location to water, along with the mountain ranges that can separate them, cause different climates at the same latitude. That is the end of video 8. The last video will be video 9, all about La Nina and El Nino.